friend, my name is Jatin. Today I'm going to make it a drawing with the word of help Corona. Here you can see I've written Corona, a word Corona. So I feel that Corona is a very highly influenced disease right now. So I'm going to show little bit a small curing capacity with the help of fruits. So I'm going to make it a fruits with the help of Corona word. Now here I am going to take it my marker, and here I am going to draw a few fruits with the help of Corona. And mostly I feel that vitamin C fruits are quite good for our health at the time of Corona. So I'm going to take it all the fruits with the containment of vitamin C. So here I'm going to make it orange. Here my orange. Here I'm going to make it a lemon. Here I'm going to make it a blueberry. Here I'm going to make it a guava. Here I'm going to make it a pineapple with the help of N. Here with the help of A, I'm going to make it kiwi. So here all the fruits are ready, which is mostly concerned with vitamin C. So when you are so this is the days where you want to take it this kind of fruits, so it will be good for your health. So now I'm going to fill color inside. I'm taking orange color for filling in orange. I'm taking color pens to fill a color. Here my orange is done. Going to fill a leaf with the green color. If you need a shades, you can put it few green color here and rest of yellow color. Now I'm going to fill yellow color in the lemon. Again same thing in the leaf of the blueberry. Taking a blue color for the berry. Cover it perfectly. Here my blueberry is ready. Now going towards guava, having a green color in it. As usual in a leaf, I'm going to make it shaded. Same thing in the pineapple. Downside I'm going to make it yellow. On the upside, taking a green color strokes towards downside for giving some shading effect. Now I'm going to fill it yellow color. Okay, yellow color is done. Again I'm taking a brown color for few dots in a pineapple. Now going towards kiwi with the brown color. Here my brown color kiwi is done, and just a leaf is remained with a few shades. So here a list of vitamin C is ready. You can see here with the help of word corona I made it all the fruits regarding vitamin C. So it is one of a healthy food at the time of corona. Thank you friends, be safe, and please if you like it do share it. Thank you.